Hello everyone and welcome to AI Tools Campus. Most people think LinkedIn automation is complicated, but with n8n, of course, it's just a few clicks. Today I'm revealing the easiest way to grab your API credentials and bridge the gap to your automation in 2026. So stop wasting time on manual LinkedIn tasks and let's dive in. So as for another video of n8n Complete Beginner Guide, as usual, I will start with a basic workflow, which is a manual trigger. Then I'll add a LinkedIn node, click on Create a Post. So for the credential section, click on Create New Credential, as usual. Before doing anything here, we'll go to our LinkedIn developer. To create an app, of course. Let's click on Create App. As for the app name, it should be, but before we dive into the app, you should have first a LinkedIn account and then an organization page before we create our app. So the app name should be identical to your organization page. As for me, I'll just type in n8n training because I already have an organization page and an app, of course. And then here in the LinkedIn page, you'll copy. Let me show you real quick. This is my LinkedIn, and this is my LinkedIn page. You'll go to your LinkedIn page and copy your link, go back to your LinkedIn for developers, and then paste your link. Here, as you can see, my page profile picture and my page name popped up when I clicked enter after I pasted my link. And here in the privacy policy URL, you'll copy your privacy and policy URL and paste it here. For example, for me, I created a policy privacy in my Google Drive. I'll show you real quick. I'll go to my Google Drive. I just type in privacy. And policy. As you can see, I got several. Here's my LinkedIn one. It's very simple. If you want, I can show you how I've created this privacy policy for LinkedIn. And then here on the top right, you click on share and it usually appears as restricted, but I changed it to anyone with the link can see my privacy policy so that you can copy your link and then paste it here. And don't forget to change it from restricted to anyone with a link. All right, and then you should add a logo, of course. You should upload a logo here, and you should respect this dimension, which is a 100 pixel, and then click on I have read and agreed to these terms, and then click on create app. So after you create your app, it should appear like this. All right. Now let's go back to our n8n and let's click on connect my account. And here you'll be typing in your LinkedIn password. Let me do it real quick. All right, here is my LinkedIn account connected successfully. And here we got our LinkedIn connected to n8n. Now let's dive into posting or creating a feed for our LinkedIn posts. All right, but first, here you should turn on this organization support so you'll be able to post in your LinkedIn page. It should be green like this, and here you'll keep it as post in the resource section, and the operation is create, of course, and we'll post as an organization. We'll dive into posting as a person later on. Right now, let's click on organization. And this section is really important. Organization URL. So let me show you how to get your organization URL. Just go to your LinkedIn page, and on the link in the top, there is a small code here of numbers. You just copy it and then go back to your n8n and paste it here. All right, here for the test is our message in the post or our caption. I just type in test, and then in the media category we have an article. We could put a link of a article or a description or a binary field, and then for the image we got the binary field name. You just type it here, and then we got title. But for now, let's click on none, and I'll just execute the step. So as you can see, our post is shared to our LinkedIn page. Let me just check it. As you can see, our post has been successfully posted. So we saw how to connect our LinkedIn to n8n and how to create a test post in our LinkedIn. And now I will just switch this post as from organization to person to show you real quick how you can post as a person or in your LinkedIn profile. Go to your credentials section, click that. Let me show you this button to modify your parameters. I'll just switch this off and connect my account. account again. So this is my account, that's me. Click on allow, and then we connected our LinkedIn profile successfully. I'll just enter my name on the LinkedIn profile. Let's execute our node. Uh, we got some error, so I will just let's click on save. Let me just refresh this page and then go back to my LinkedIn node, and then let's switch to organization again. Let's switch it back to person, and then we click here, and you'll find your LinkedIn profile name below. Click, and let's click on execute. Alright, as you can see, we got our post shared on LinkedIn. Let me check it out real quick. I'll go to my profile. Let me scroll down. Alright, as you can see, my post here is shared to LinkedIn. As you can see, test. So our test post is shared to our LinkedIn, and you successfully connected your LinkedIn account to n8n, and you're able now to post on your LinkedIn page or organization and your on your LinkedIn profile. In the next video, I'll show you how to post your images or articles on LinkedIn page and LinkedIn profile, and how to generate contents or create contents in this easy workflow. Thank you for watching. See you next time.